Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make tacos. So we're going to cook the ground beef in the air fryer oven, and we're going to I'll show you how to put together the taco, okay? So we're going to get started. Let me adjust the camera, okay? Great. Okay. So this is 1 pound of ground beef that I seasoned with black pepper, adobo, and ground garlic, okay? And I put this in a 9-inch cake pan. This is going to fit in my air fryer oven. And we're going to use this taco dinner kit, okay? So we'll get into this in a few minutes as soon as I start the hamburger, alright? Okay. So this is a quick video, so we're going to put it in, set it on, let's go with 400, and let's cook that for 20 minutes. We'll start with 20 minutes, I'll check it part of the way through. Okay, and we're off and running, see that? Alright, so I'm going to set up what we're going to put in the taco shell and show you that. Give me a second. Okay, so again, here's our taco dinner kit that I bought. This costs $2. It comes with 12 taco shells, a taco seasoning, and a taco sauce. Okay, everything you need for the taco. In addition to that, we're going to add, so let me show you the items that came in the box first. Here's the 12 tacos, okay? This is the taco seasoning. This is just like your regular seasonings that you would season up something. So this would be like your adobo or something like that. But it's called taco seasoning, okay? And this is a taco sauce. So the seasoning, you're going to rub right into the hamburger. So when I check it when it's halfway done, I'm going to put this in there, the seasoning in there. I'm going to stir it up and I'm going to put it back in so it can cook through, okay? Alright, the taco sauce is what you actually pour right over the taco once you make the taco. Alright, so in addition to that, we have some lettuce cut up, some tomatoes. I bought a tomato for $1. I used half, so this is a half of a tomato, 50 cents. I bought some lettuce that was $1.50. I cut off less than a fourth, so we're about 50 cents into the lettuce. And we have some sour cream. I had this left over from the other night in the refrigerator. And this is some Mexican blend cheese. Cheese is optional. You don't have to use cheese, okay? You really don't have to use anything except what came with it if you don't want the lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, and cheese, okay? Alright, so in about 5 minutes I'm gonna bring you back. I'll show you how I'm putting the seasoning on, and then we're gonna put the ground beef back in to cook the remaining of the time, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, so our ground beef have been cooking for 10 minutes, and we're gonna take it out and take a look. Okay, I just want to give you a visual. Okay, it's not done. What I want to do is just break it up. It's definitely raw in the middle, for sure. And the reason why you're breaking it up is, you know, it's supposed to be like ground meat, like finely chopped up, right? Because that's what ground beef is. And then when you cook it in the air fry, it kind of comes to like one unit. Okay, that's good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now, So now I'm going to add our seasoning package that came in the kit. You can add the whole package or as much as you like or as little as you like. I'm adding the whole package. Okay. Now I want to get a tablespoon because I want to operate with a smaller spoon. And I'm mixing this in now. Oh, it's looking really good. Can't wait to bite into one. Okay, so you see I'm using the back of the spoon to kind of rub the powdered seasoning in. Okay. I think that'll do it. Okay, I'm going to let this just cook another 5 minutes. That will be cooking a total of 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take a temperature because it looks like I'm only going to need another 5 minutes. So instead of the total 15 minutes, I'm thinking we're going to need just 15. Let's check it then. Okay, it's off and running. It's going to cook another 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, let me go back to that a minute. I think my power just shut off. So let's try this again. So I have the sour cream on the taco shell and the tomatoes. And I have 3 of them, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top of the tomatoes, a little cheese. This is my Mexican cheese. You can add any kind of cheese you want or no cheese. Okay, let me show you the cheese down in there. See? Wait, let me see. No, you can't see because I can't hold it right. There we go. See the cheese? Okay, so we have 3 just like that. Alright, so we're all done with the cheese, the tomatoes. Now let's put some lettuce in here. I'll put a little lettuce in each one. Okay, so here we go. So we have our sour cream, our tomatoes, our cheese, and lettuce. Okay, so we're just waiting on the hamburger now. All right. So let's see how much time we have left. Oh, we're on 5 minutes. So let me get the thermometer out and check the time, the temperature. 1 second. Give me a second. Okay, so let's check the temperature of the ground beef. gonna have to stick it in the middle of it because, you know, ground beef is broken up pieces, so it's not like you can put the probe straight through. You have to stick it in the middle of the pan into the ground beef and see what happens. We're looking for 160. Let's see where we go to. Okay, I think we have to cook another 3 minutes because I'm only at 156. I thought that would do it, but I guess not. So now our total time will be 18 minutes. So we're gonna let that cook for 3 minutes and then I'll check it. Oh, I have the camera on all this time. Wow. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's check the temp. Okay, we're good. We're 162. We are good. Okay, so now I'm just going to drain the excess broth off over the sink. Okay, now we're gonna just put it in this bowl. Okay, now you got this package of sauce. Now normally you would take the sauce and you'd put your hamburger in the shell and then you pour the sauce over it. I like to just put my sauce right in because when you're dealing with a family and everybody's trying to get some sauce out of this little bag, sometimes somebody won't end up with some because someone takes too much. But if you just put it in the hamburger itself and then mix it in, then everybody gets some sauce. How about that? Good idea, right? Oh, that smells so good. Let me let you know that. Really, really good. Okay, so now we're gonna put the hamburger right over the lettuce, okay? Oh, that's gonna be so good. Look at that. Huh? How about that? And we have one last one to fill. There we go. Oh, wow. Just let you get a visual of this. Look at that, huh? Wow. Tacos. Here we go. Tacos in the air fryer oven. Great, right? Good job. Okay, let's taste one, shall we? Okay, here we go.